BibiZoneTV.
A is for apple. Apples are yummy. B is for ball. I love to play with my ball. C is for cat. The cat says meow. D is for dog. Dogs are friendly. E is for elephant. It has a big trunk. F is for fish. Fish swim in the water. G is for goat. The goat says baa. H is for hat. I wear my hat in the sun. I is for ice cream. It's cold and sweet. J is for jar. I put cookies in my jar. K is for kangaroo. It can jump so high. L is for lemon. Lemons taste sour. M is for mouse. Mice love cheese. N is for nurse. A nurse helps sick people. O is for orange. It's round and juicy. P is for penguin. It waddles so cute. Q is for queen. She wears a shiny crown. R is for rabbit. The rabbit hops fast. S is for star. The stars shine at night. T is for tiger. The tiger has stripes. U is for umbrella. It keeps me dry in the rain. V is for violin. It makes pretty music. W is for whale. It's the biggest animal. X is for Xmas. I love Christmas time. Y is for young. We are young and happy. Z is for zebra. It has black and white stripes. forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to BibiZoneTV for more fun.